So for us, this relationship is really about driving our technology. We look at the technology purely from a materials and processing point of view, and so we need really challenging applications, and the space environment actually really provides a significant challenge technically on all of our materials and process, particularly around AM. It also unlocks the innovation cycle, so bringing our materials and process together with the engineering requirements with RUAG's product, then we see that the coupling of those two worlds and those two groups of people, the engineers, the scientists, will actually create a lot of innovation for both of us. Ultimately, that drives our metallurgy at a new alloy development point of view. It also drives our process, and it drives their innovation cycle on the products to enable them to offer higher value at the space launch and space satellite arena.